All right, I'm back on 7/11/22, which is a Monday. So we're gonna start off looking at my rules here on my phone. I'm gonna just go through every single rule here for every entry. That way I can get used to following my rules. So first, I want to check my weekly bias here, which obviously we know it is bearish here. Okay. We do have a lot of imbalance left in here. Price may want to come back up, fill the imbalance. Okay, on the daily, same thing. We're still bearish. Left imbalance in here. So price may want to come up into one of these zones, mitigate some of the orders in here before taking price lower eventually. Okay, the 4-hour, we are bearish. Okay, price is down, creating lower lows. Okay, we do have some imbalance left in here and in here, supply zone left in here, so that can be a potential POI that we just have to keep in mind. Okay, I'm gonna go to my 15-minute. So on my 15-minute, we are overall bearish. Okay, we did break structure here. Okay, creating a new lower low. So I can go ahead and move this down to here. This is our new lower low. Okay, and let's see. I'm gonna mark up some Mentifex blocks here. Okay. So let's see. So overall we are bearish. Okay, we do have some demand zones here which came to get mitigated, tested into it, broke back down, came up, filled some of this imbalance, left the supply zone here and here. So price may want to come up into these zones. Let me go ahead and mark these zones up. So we do have this little zone here. Okay, and also this one here. Okay, so I marked up these zones because they have been left unmitigated and there is imbalance under them, so price may want to come back up to mitigate that imbalance. Okay, so now I'm gonna let price play out a little bit, see what it wants to do. So price entered this supply zone. Is it gonna break through and then hit my zone, or is it gonna just use that one to take price lower? Okay, so price did break through this supply zone, came to enter my POI here. I'm gonna drop down to the 1 minute. So I will be looking for Wyckoff for confirmation. Okay, so let's see, this could be a Wyckoff distribution forming. We do have some stopping action. This could be our buyer's climax, automatic rally, secondary test. Okay, then we have our sign of weakness, our UT, our up thrust. Okay, mitigating some of the orders up here, filling some imbalance, breaking down, and then creating our UTAD. Okay, so that's my bias. I do think that this is a distribution right here forming. Okay, so we do have our sign of weakness confirming the breakup structure here. So let's see. Okay, price broke down, came back up, creating a test. Okay, so this could be our test here. So let me see. So this here overall is our spring, which broke down, got mitigated, left the demand zone here, supply zone here. Okay, so price enters there, I will enter. Okay, price broke through that. Okay, we could have another little Wyckoff in here, part of this overall schematic, but we can have our own little schematic here. Maybe our buyer's climax, AR, secondary test, sign of weakness, UT, break down, move back up. Okay, left the zone to get tested. Okay, we're breaking up. So we came to test the UT before breaking back down. Okay, price came to test this zone here. So let's see. Okay, price did leave a supply zone here. Broke down. Let's see if price wants to come and test that zone. Whoops, I'm playing price too fast. Let me rewind it here. So this is my zone here. Let me just go ahead and mark that one up. We already did see price action play out, but this was our zone anyways. Okay, price did come to test. So let me back up price. Okay, price came to test. Place our entry. Okay, at the close of this candle. Okay, stop loss above the high. And then take profit below structure. Okay, so that is that entry. So let me go ahead and screenshot this. Okay, place this here, paste. We are at 7/11/22. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna write my comment on my phone here, since it's easier to type than it is to type on the tablet. Okay, so let's see. So waited for price to enter POI. Wyckoff distribution formed. Okay, entered at close of candle that entered our zone. Our supply zone. Stop loss above the high and take profit below structure. Okay, so now let's let price play out and see what happens. Okay, so this one right here, this one is a win here. So this right here, we would take 50% right here. So let me just go ahead and mark this up. We were taking 50% profits, 50% partial, and then let the rest run. And then we'll see how far it runs. Okay, if we create new structure, then I'll move my stop loss to here, so that way we end up in profit. Okay, we're creating new lows. So now Okay, we'll keep this order short like this. Okay, I'll just place a new one just so we can have the screenshot. Okay, so do this one here. All right, stop loss at break even. And then this is just gonna keep running. And let's see how far it runs. Okay, if it creates new lows, which it did. Okay, so let's keep playing price out, and once it breaks through here, I'll move my stop loss over here. Did it stop me out? Nope. Not yet, but I'm sure it's going to. Nope. Okay, so now let me move this here, my stop loss here, right below this low. Let's see where we're at, which I'm sure I'm gonna get stopped out. Okay, price keeps going. Move my stop loss here. Just keep watching price. Okay, price creating new lows. I'll move my stop loss here. And then just letting price play out. Okay, got stopped out here. Okay, so this overall ran to here, so that's about a 1 to 12, which is not bad. Okay, so let me go ahead and document this. Let me go. Let me stretch this out. Go to 15-minute. Stopped out here. So let's take a screenshot of that. Copy this. Come over here. Paste this. That was 12 point what? 12.61. Okay, and let me write down what happened. It's just my comments. So price tapped me into the trade. 50% partial taken at previous low. Let price run and moved stop loss every other new low before getting stopped out. Okay, so that's a 12 27.61. Okay, now let's go back into our charts here so we can see exactly what's going on. So overall, we do have what our first back test, which was last month, 27.6, a few minus ones, no trades, minus ones, and 11.41. Okay, 8.19, minus one, no trades entered, minus one, no trades, minus one, minus one, minus one, minus one, minus one, minus one, plus 12. So far, let's see where we at from 7.1 here. We were minus, so let's see, 12.1, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So overall, we are up 6.61 RR, but we are not done. Okay, we still have shit to test. So let me go ahead and erase all this stuff here. Erase this zone here. Okay, price already did hit this zone here. Price wasn't interested in this. So let's see. On our 15-minute, we're breaking structure, right? And where was our previous high, our previous low? I don't see it. Okay, anyways, so I would consider this our new low. Okay, we have our high here, which came to get mitigated. So this one here does not appear. See, it already validated our supply zone, came to mitigate it. Less than 50%, but it's still mitigated. Left some imbalance in here. Let me see if there's anything on the lower time frame, maybe a 10-minute. Okay, we do have this up move here. Okay, which did get mitigated a little bit. Anything on the 5-minute? So on a 5-minute, we have this zone here that has been left unmitigated. So price may want to come into there. Price already came to test this supply zone, probably to move down, but let's see. So let's just watch price. We're already getting close to the end of our trading day. And that's it. So nothing else. That's it for this trade, which is not bad. And I will continue on July 12th.